Back to Further Solutions Academy. I'll be continuing from where I stopped last time, which is number 30. I'll now on number 31. Don't forget Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share and subscribe to this platform. Help us to share and subscribe. At this point, we have over 180 videos on this platform. It means you can come to this platform and learn any topic of your choice without any cost implication at this point. If you want to help us, at this point, we need a bigger board, we need a better camera. You can reach us on this line, plus 2348034495990. You can call us on this line. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. We need donation, we need help, we need to let you know that, especially good camera and larger or bigger board. Now, to be continued from where I stopped in our next video. Okay, the next video is the next number is number 31. I'm now on 31. A fair die, which is 2016. A fair die is thrown 2 times. 2 times. What is the probability of that the sum of the score is at least 10. Probability that the sum of the scores is at least 10. Now, we have option A. We have 5 all over 36. B, we have 1 all over 6. C, we have 8 all over. And D, we have now, if I have probability of at least, we have at least at most. That is very, very important. You have to understand. If you want to learn more on that probability, because it's very, very simple, and I've simplified it on our video, which is probability. You can go and check on it. There are 5 videos on it. You can check it on. Okay, if I'm talking about probability of at least 10 will be equals to okay ratio at least 10. It means you should, with the help of your table, the table is just like you have done it earlier. It will be 6, it will be at least divided by 36, which is 1 over 6. The answer is this. That is 6 all over 36, which we have done the table earlier. You can get that. Now, number 32. Number 32. Number 2 is the mark of 8 students in a test are 10, 45, 3, 14, 16, and 7. Find the range. Now, we have done something on range earlier also. Quarter range, semi-range. It's under our statistics. You can go and learn that also. But those things are very simple to know. We have 16, B. We have 14, C. We have 13, and D. We have 11. We have 11. Now, when we talk about range, my range is always equals to highest minus lowest. Please take it on that. Highest minus. It can be only be tough when you are talking about quarter range and semi-range. I think those things are there for you to learn on. Okay, my highest number, what's my highest number here we have okay, the highest number on this, we have no, sorry, this is 4 and 5. This is not 45. 4 and 5. Now the highest number is 16 minus lowest number is 3, which is I'll be having, which is going to be 13. Is there 13 there? My answer is C. These are very simple bonus mark for everybody. Now, but range is more than this. You can go and learn that from our platform. Now, 33. If log 2 3x minus 1 equals to 5, find x. We have a as 2. We have b, we have it as 3. C, we have it as 7. D, we have it as we have b as 3.67. C, we have it as 8.67, and D, we have 11.00. Now we are looking for x anyway. Now, how do I get my x? It's very simple. If you want to learn about logarithm, theory of logarithm, we have it also on our platform. We have video 1, video 2, video 3 for it. To any level, you can learn it. But video 1 will solve the problem here. This is very simple. I can easily say that what log 2 3x minus 1 equals to 5. I'm looking for x. Now, what can I do? I will antilog the both sides. Since I antilog the both sides, I'll be having 3x minus 1 equals to 5. Equals to 2 raised to power 5. Please, you may not understand this. It means you must to make sure you watch our video on logarithm. Now, which I'll be having 3x equals to 32 minus 1. Plus 1, which is 3x equals to 33. My x equals to 11, which is my answer is D. And another question, number 34. It's getting real. Number 34, I have a sphere of radius r centimeter as the same volume of as volume as a cylinder of radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. Find the value of R. We have A 2 all over 3, 2 all over 3. B, we have 2. C, we have 3. D, we have 6. Now, how do I solve this particular problem? Solution to this problem. Now, we have to learn to read the instruction. We have a sphere here of a radius r centimeter, have the same volume as a what? Cylinder. It means the sphere equals to what? Volume of the sphere equals to cylinder volume. That is what the question is saying. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 all over 3 r cubed equals to pi. This is going to be pi also. Pi r squared h, which is that is the volume of a cylinder. Since I have it, this one we cancel this one. Now r here it will be now be only 1 r. Now this one will be what? We cancel this one. It means I'll be having 4 all over 3 r equals to what is my okay, I can't say that, sorry. No, I'm making a mistake. Now what am I saying? 4 r cubed all over what? 3 equals to pi squared h. Now it means pi, we cancel pi, which is I will left with 4r cubed all over 3 equals to, what is my r? My r of cylinder is 3 squared multiplied by h, which is my 4. Now, which I'll be having 4r cubed equals to, I'll be having 27 multiplied by 4. I'm just multiplying this by this, divided by 0. Yes. Now, if I divide it by 3, divide this one by this, it will be 4, we cancel, r cubed equals to 23. Now, it means r cubed equals to 3 cubed. Now, it is true that 3 is equals to 3. Then, r equals to 3. My r equals to 3, which is my C. My r equals to 3. Now, number 35. Express 1975 correct to 3 standard form. Correct. We have A 20, B we have 1900, we have C, we have 108, and we have C, we have 2000. Now, if I have something like this, I'm running towards 3 significant figures. We have done something on the approximation and estimation. If you need any help on it, it's good to go there and check on. But if I have something like this, it means I'll be having something on 1978. I can approximate a number 5 and above, 5 to 9. It means 5. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, which is I'll be having 1980. That is my 3 significant figure, which is my answer is C. My answer is C. Now, what again? Number 35, 36. Number 36. I have this type of plane shape, which is a plane shape. Call it trapezium. We all know what trapezium is. Now, this is parallel. We all know that they are always parallel. Now, and I have it shaped like this. Sorry for those that are not. Now, this is parallel and also parallel with this. Also, this is parallel with this. Now, this is 9 centimeter, and you are asked to calculate the area of the trapezium. Now, my area of trapezium is always equals to A, we have 96 centimeters squared. B, we have 90 centimeters squared. We have C, we have 81 centimeters squared. And D, we have 27 centimeters squared. Now, if we are talking about area of trapezium is always equals to area of trapezium equals to A plus B H. Please take note of that. Now, which is everything here we call it A, everything here we call it B. Now, since we know that this is parallel to this, and this since the lines are parallel, it means here is 9, here also 9, here also 9. It means the sum of everything would be what? 18. Now, would be 18. Now, I can now say that the area will be equals to 1 over 2, 9 plus 18, all bracket of, how will I get my height? My height is my problem. Okay, my height is given, sorry, from the question. I didn't complete the question. It's 6 centimeter. It means multiplied by my, which is here 1, here 3. 18 plus this times 18, that will be 27, which is 81 centimeters squared. 81, which is going to be C. 81 centimeters squared. That is C. Now, you can now move on to the next one, which is 37. Now, 37 is just like 37. The perimeter of a sector of a of a circle of radius 21 centimeter is for 64 centimeter. Find the angle of the sector taking pi equals to 22 over 7. Now, when we talk about, we have done circle theorem, property of circle. You can go and watch also. We have a lot of things on it that will really help you. Now, how to find a chord, how to find sector, area of a sector. Now, when you hear about perimeter of a sector, it always equals to 2r plus length of arc. Length of arc is theta all over 360 2 pi r. Since I have it that way, I can continue by having, what is my r? My r is 21. My perimeter is itself of the sector is 64. And what x am I looking for? My theta is missing. It means I can say that 64 equals to 21 times 2, which is going to be 42, plus theta all over 360 multiplied by 22 all over 22 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by that r. I don't know it. Now, since I have it this way, is there anything that I can say that year 180. Can 22 goes in 180? I don't know. Since I don't know, I can just use my calculator by having theta all over 180 multiplied by which is, I'll be having 22 all over 7 equals to 64 minus 42. 64 minus 42, it will surely give me 22. I'm going to stress myself, 22. And I can now say that 22 theta equals to 22 multiplied by 180 multiplied by 7. I'm going to now learn to work like this so that when you are solving your problem, you have something to rest upon. Now, what again? Hope I'm not making any mistake. No. Now, okay, I'll be having theta all over 180 equals to 22 multiplied by 7 all over 22, which is going to be cancelled. Now, my theta will be equals to 7 multiplied by 80, which is my theta. 7 times 1, 7 times 8. It will be which is going to be what is my option? Oh, mistake. Okay, sorry, I did not carry 21 along. We have 21 here. My house is 21. Now, since I know that there is a mistake, I think it will be. I think with what I've done, I did not carry along 21 from the beginning. Now, which is I'll be having theta all over 180 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 21 divided by 7 equals to 22, which is, I've explained that earlier. Now, since I know that that is the case, I can now say that it will be 660 theta all over what? 180 multiplied by okay. Now let me try to cut some things. I think year 1, year 3. Now which is I'll be having 66, which is I'll be having 66 theta all over 180 equals to 22. Now I can say that what my theta equals to 22 multiplied by 180 all over 66. Here we cancel, here will be 3. Here it will be theta equals to 60 degrees. Sorry, we are wasting. Now theta equals to 60 degrees. Okay. Theta equals to 60 degrees, which is option number. Okay, now number 38. I have Venn diagram. We all know Venn diagram. We have done it under our set. If you need anything on Venn diagram, you can go and watch it. But this one is a bit simple, which is I have something like this. They have called this place M and N, the universal number, and we have FG, we have C, we have A, comma B, and we have E outside the box. Now, determine M prime intersection N. This is my intersection. Let me use capital letter on this one, sorry. So that I'll be able to have something complement. Let me use it. And also, now intersection N from the Venn diagram. Now, how do I get my M prime? I've told you earlier when I was explaining M prime is just like that. Okay, we have options. We have option A as F, G. No, this is a set, sorry. F, G. Option B, we have ordinary. We have C, we have F, G, and D, we have F, G. Now, when you have it something like this, so this is very, very simple to know. Now, my M prime, that is my problem. I've told you M prime, by so doing this, my universal is my universal of this is what? They are what? A, B, C, G, F, E. That is all the universal. Forget the arrangement. Now, what is my M? My M is A, B, E. Now, remove this out of your universal, which is this, and this. The remaining one, we call it M prime, which is I'll be having C, G, F. C, G, F. Now, what of my N? My N is equals to F, G, C. F, G, C. Now, when we are now having M prime intersection N, it will be equals to, what is the intersection? Intersection means common region between them. This and this, we have F, and G and we have now, which is my answer will be B, will be this, will be D. That is my answer. That is my answer, which is F, G. Oh, my answer is A. My answer is D is F and E. This is my answer is my E, which is F, G. Please take note of that. Number 39. Number 39. Now 39 is always equals to if 20 mod 9 is equivalent to y mod 6. Find y. If I have to do something like this, I have 20 mod 9 is equivalent to y mod 6. Now, what I will just do is that this is very, very simple, but you have to be very careful. Now, this is equals to this, and this. I've told you earlier about I have done a lot of things on mode. If you need any help on mode, you can go and view it. Now, what I will just do is that I'll be having let me have okay. Now, if I have something like this, it means my y will be equals to 2. My y equals to 2. To explain this, just contact us, or you go to our YouTube channel. You see a lot of work on mode plus arithmetic. Mode plus arithmetic. My y is equals to 2, which is the option B. I mean, oh yes, option B from your question. Number 40. Number 40. Simplify PR squared minus R squared, all divided by 2P squared minus 4PR. Now, we have A 1 over 2, B, we have P minus 2R, we have C, we have 1 all divided by P minus 2R, and D, we have 2P divided by P minus 2R. Now, when I have something like this, it's always simple to work. Now, difference of 2 squares is allowed. Please take note of this, because of what is attaching them is minus. Since what is attached them is minus, it means we are allowed to use difference of 2 squares. It means I can say that P minus R plus R and P minus R minus R. Now, which I'll be having divided by what? P, what is common here? 2P, bracket of P minus 2R. Now, since I have it this way, this one and this one will go. It means P into bracket of minus 2R, which is divided by 2P minus 2R. Now, this one will move out this. P will cancel. My answer will be 1 over 2, which is my answer is A. Please take note of that. Now, number 41. Okay, number 41. We are to continue next video from number 41. Don't forget to share. Don't forget the name of the platform, Further Solutions Academy. Share and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Help us to subscribe for you to get updates from the platform. Now, if you want to contribute, you want to contribute to our platform, you need a better board and a better camera and other things, you can contact us. You can drop email in our box, and also you can reach us on this line 234 8034449599. Now you can call us here, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is also allowed. Once again, thanks for watching.